Hey there, this is the quick step-by-step installation of Core Zonos for Windows. If you open this, you know what Zonos is. So let's get started with
Los Crossos.
Come on, we have work to do. Today we will go step by step through the process of installing prerequisites, cloning the repository, creating a virtual environment, installing the requirements, setting up models, and starting the app. Ready? Course you are. For the prerequisites, you will need this hardware and basic setup of CUDA Toolkit, Python, and Git. The hardware requirements are light on Zonos. Zonos needs also the eSpeak library. If your PC is not set up and you want an automated, beginner-friendly, but efficient way to set up your PC for AI and Python, you can use my other project, Crossos Setup. It's fully free and open source, and it setups your Mac, Windows, or Linux PC automatically to a full-fledged AI software development station. It includes a system checker to assess how well installed your current setup is before you install anything. That's what I use for all my development across all my systems. Where were we? Oh yes, let's install this bad boy. We start from an admin account and install the pre-requirement library eSpeak. This will be installed system-wide. You need this often with generative models, so if you already have it, you can skip it. Now we will change to our normal account to start the installation. We then open a terminal with no admin rights and a file explorer at the location to store the repository plus a browser for instructions. So we clone the repository to our hard drive. You can see the new directory appear on your drive. Then we create a Python virtual environment to contain the libraries. This also appears as a directory if you activated Hidden Directory View. We see the activated environment on the left of our prompt. Now we install the requirements. This can take a while, so I sped up the video so we don't get bored. If you don't have any models yet, you can just skip the next step. To reuse existing models, we start any app file with the Check Models option to generate a configuration file. You can open this file with any text editor and adapt the paths of your models and change internal app parameters without touching code. Read the repository documentation for more information on this. You can run the Check Models command again to confirm that the app can see your models. Now the installation is finished. Anytime you want to use the apps, you need to activate the virtual environment and start the app. Ideally, with the browser option that opens the browser UI automatically. To end the app, just close the terminal window or press Ctrl+C on it. Check my other videos on how to use the app. For now, we are finished for the quick installation on my favorite system, Windows.